Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. In this video I show you 5 different easy ways to create a journal. For number 1 we need paper, scissors, some glue. First you fold the paper in half on the long side. Then fold it twice the other way and open up the second fold again. Now grab the scissors and cut the middle line down to the middle of the paper. Then open everything up and fold it like this star shape. From there you can get it into becoming a little book. Now put some glue on the inside of the journal, that it won't unfold itself. You could also skip this step and write on both sides of the paper and make a little secret part of the journal, or a journal with 2 different stories or something. This is totally up to you. Here I decorate the front cover of the little journal a bit, but this is optional as well. Next I show you how to create a bigger version of this journal by just using some bigger paper. And by gluing together the pages only at the bottom, you can create some little pockets and tuck spots inside your journal. For this journal I did fold and cut a second page and glued them both together to get more pages in my final journal. For our DIY journal number 2, we used some different papers, old book pages, some plain pages, and we also will be using some fold back clips. All our paper pages are folded in half, and then I did fold the edge of the spine to create a little rim for the fold back clips to sit on. This is what holds all the pages in place and creates the journal. For the third way to create a journal, we get out our staplers and paper. Again, like always, we will need paper for all our journals, obviously. When you have the pages you want to include in the journal, just staple everything together in the middle of the journal. I had to adjust the width of my pages a bit to make them fit into the stapler, but you could also use a wider stapler if you have one, or just create a little mini journal like I did here. On the front cover of this journal I added one of my tarot card stickers for decorations. The next technique to create a journal is by using some paper clips and yarn. First we have to fold the paper again and then fold an edge at the spine, a little wider than the paper clips. Now we take some of the yarn with a needle and sew through the paper to keep the paper clips in place. That's already it, and the next journal is ready to use. This technique you can also really easy translate to a bigger journal or a different size of paper or any other customizations you want to do. Maybe you could also replace the paper clips with some beads or whatever comes to mind. For journal number 5, we do the classic sewing technique where you just need some yarn and paper and you sew through the middle of the pages to create the journal. I would really recommend pre-poking the holes with a needle before sewing, because it makes the sewing process so much easier. And now this journal is also ready to use. Here is again a little closer look at all our 5 journals. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.